Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are good. Yes, class 6. Today we are going to start lesson number 10, e-commerce, blogging and podcasting. So firstly, we have an introduction about e-commerce. So e-commerce or electronic commerce is a way of doing business over the internet. It refers to buying and selling of goods and services or transmitting funds or data through electronic medium. Companies can create the websites to advertise their products and services. Customers can buy as per their choice by using credit cards, debit cards, net banking, cash on delivery, etc. What is the full form of e-commerce? It is electronic commerce and it is the way of doing business over the internet. So जब हम कोई भी चीज़ बाय करते हैं, सेल करते हैं, कोई भी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज using the internet, then that is called e-commerce. Yes, so next we have different types of e-commerce. So there are various modes of e-commerce that are explained below. So first one is business to business, means B to B. So this type of e-commerce involves two companies buying or selling products and services with each other through the internet. For example, a food manufacturer purchasing flour, a retailer buying the end product from the food manufacturer. Means अगर एक business दूसरे बिजनेस को सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है देन दैट इज कॉल्ड B2B, दैट इज बिजनेस टू बिजनेस. नेक्स्ट वी हैव बिजनेस टू कंज्यूमर, मींस जो बिजनेस है, जो बिजनेस वाले हैं वो क्या है, कंज्यूमर्स को प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं सर्विसेज. यस, सो दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ ई कॉमर्स एक्टिविटी. And in this mode, a company establishes a website on the internet and sell products or services directly to consumers over the internet by providing information about them. Yes, how business providing services to the consumer. For example, we have websites like Flipkart, Mantra, Amazon. Yes, these websites directly providing services to the consumers, means consumers can directly buy anything from these websites. So this is business to consumer service. Next we have consumer to business, means C to B. The C to B electronic e-commerce involve consumers selling products or services to companies. Means इसमें क्या है, consumer provide कर रहे services to the business. So a consumer posts his project with a set budget online and the companies review these products and place bids. And thus the consumer review the bids and select the company that meet his expectations to complete the project. इसमें क्या है, जो consumer है, any consumer can make his or her project and he directly he or she can submit that project to the business. So this is consumer to business service. Next we have consumer to consumer service. So C to C involve e-commerce between consumers or individuals. The individual consumer posts his product and services for sale and other consumers bid for them. Yes, for example, the sites such as OLX.com, ebay.com, ubit.com, etc. इसमें क्या है, एक कंज्यूमर दूसरे कंज्यूमर को क्या प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, डायरेक्टली सर्विस. यस, यहाँ पे क्या है, हमें कोई ट्रेडर की किसी चीज़ की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. कंज्यूमर कैन डायरेक्टली प्रोवाइड कर सर्विसेज टू द अनदर कंज्यूमर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, हम OLX पे कोई किसी कंज्यूमर ने कोई चीज़ सेल करनी है, देन डायरेक्टली ही और शी कैन अपलोड द फोटो ऑफ दैट थिंग टू द on the website and another customer can other consumer can see that image and if that thing is suitable for his or her, then he can buy directly from that website and after that he or she is able to pay money. So next we have what are the advantages of e-commerce. So with e-commerce it is easy to locate, choose, buy and pay for a product smartly while sitting at home. For example, e-commerce is available 24/7, means this is 24/7 hour service. Customers can visit the store, browse the products and place their orders anytime. Anytime user can buy things on the internet. So e-commerce helps in making the process of finding and accessing the products relatively easier by providing all variants of the products at one place. Means variety of things users can buy through using the internet. So it provides more choices and the ability to compare products from different brands on the basis of their pricing and quality etc. Yes, अगर हमने कोई भी शॉपिंग करनी है किसी भी चीज़ की तो हम अमेजोन पे भी उस चीज़ का प्राइस देख सकते हैं एंड इन द अनदर वेबसाइट ऑल्सो लाइक फ्लिपकार्ट और मंत्रा एंड वी कैन कंपेयर दैट price and quality also. So buying and selling through e-commerce is a time saving activity. Customers can also read the review and comments about the products. Online service provider also lure their customers by providing them with attractive deals and coupons. इसमें क्या है, वो ऑनलाइन सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स हैं, वो कस्टमर्स को क्या देते हैं, तो लालच देते हैं. ल्योर मीन्स लालच देना. वो कस्टमर्स को लालच देते हैं कि आप अगर इतनी शॉपिंग करोगे तो आपको इतने % डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, आपको कूपन्स मिलेंगे, यू कैन बाय दिस थिंग इफ़ यू विल बाय. अगर आप कुछ ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में कोई चीज़ बाय कर रहे हो तो आपको ये चीज़ इतना ऑफर मिलेगा. सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स. So next we have, it is easier to start a business as the setup is investment and cost are relatively low. इसमें क्या हम easily business start कर सकते हैं और investment और cost हमें क्या पड़ती है, low पड़ती है. Next we have disadvantages of e-commerce. Yes, disadvantages क्या हैं e-commerce की. It is not always secure to purchase things online. A customer should make a check about the integrity of the service provider before buying and making online payments. येस, अगर हम कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन अपनी क्रेडिट कार्ड और डेबिट कार्ड शो कर रहे हैं इंटरनेट पे, देन दैट थिंग इज़ नॉट सिक्योर. So since customers are to make payments through debit card or credit card, so one should remain extra vigilant about the misuse of information and possibility of fraud. Yes, अगर हमने ऑनलाइन कुछ भी शॉपिंग करनी है तो हमें अपनी डिटेल्स तो फिल करनी पड़ेगी वहाँ पे, बट दिस थिंग इज़ नॉट सिक्योर. Yes, then extra vigilant, extra alert we have to give while filling information. Next we have, while e-commerce makes everything easily accessible, but still a customer hesitate to buy online because he cannot examine the product physically and cannot be sure about the quality of the products. Yes, अगर हमने यूजिंग e-commerce कुछ भी चीज़, कोई भी गुड एंड सर्विसेज हमने बाय करनी है या लेनी है तो उससे क्या है कि हम फिजिकली उस चीज़ को चेक नहीं कर सकते. Yes. So next we have, constant access to the internet is required to shop online, and this is very important thing. Constant access to internet is required. Without internet we can't buy anything. Next we have e-shopping. So what is e-shopping? E-shopping means electronic shopping. With the help of internet we want to buy something. Internet offers a convenient way to shop from our homes or offices for moving, games, stationery, apparels, healthcare, home appliances, electronic item etc. We can buy or sell new as well as second hand goods also. So the process of selling and buying products over the internet is called online shopping or e-shopping. So websites that are providing e-shopping facility are Amazon, eBay, Craigslist, Bonanza and Flipkart. So these are some of the websites where we can do online shopping. So first one is Amazon. What is Amazon? Amazon is one of the largest online shopping website in the world. It is an American electronic commerce and cloud computing company founded on July 5th, 1994 with headquarters in Seattle, Washington. And this site is popularly known for its wide collection of books, although it has expanded its domain to other categories also. पहले क्या है, ये वेबसाइट ओनली बुक्स सेल करती थी, बट अब इसके पास all types of things इसके पास अवेलेबल है and users can buy from there like electronic appliances, clothing, furniture and many more things they have. It allows its users to avail payment through credit card or debit card, net banking, e-gift vouchers, card swipe on delivery or cash on delivery. Yes, through credit or debit card also we can pay. Net banking also we can use, card swipe on delivery, cash on delivery also we can do. Next we have how we can make use of Amazon website. So log on to the official website of Amazon, that is amazon.in. We have to firstly log in on this website. So after that, type the name of the item that you want to search. Here search box is available. Here we can type the thing that we want to search. Yes, and after that we can also select anything by clicking on the shop by category options. So select the desired product and check the details, that is the key features and specification of that item we can check. We can check the price, its size, each and everything we can check. Once you are satisfied with the product specification, click on the buy now button. Yes, after that we have to click on the buy now for buying that thing. After clicking on buy now, you need to create an Amazon account. Yes, if you want to use Amazon website, then you have to firstly create your account on the website. Enter your valid name, mobile number, email ID and password, and click on create your Amazon account, and fill in your address details under the delivery address section and click on continue. Select the payment method and enter the required details. Here payment method means from which thing you want to pay. You want to pay as a cash on delivery or through credit card or debit card. And after that click on continue. Review your order details and click on place your order and pay. Enter the 3D secure code received from bank in order to authorize your payment, and you will get a thank you page once the order is successfully placed. लास्ट पे आपको क्या मिलेगा? थैंक यू पेज मिलेगा कि आपका ऑर्डर अभी प्लेस्ड हो चुका है. यस, so students, in this way you can use Amazon website. So this is enough for today students. So take care students. Goodbye.